I have here the Hansshow Model 3 and Y touchscreen protector that is tempered glass. So this is a tempered film glass from Hansshow, designed and manufactured by Hansshow. So it has a barcode here where you can purchase, and it comes in this nice case. And not a lot of waste like you see with other screen protector. So the purpose of the screen protector is to protect this display from crack, scratch, and possibly even damaging this display if you accidentally hit it with your phone or if you hit it with any other object. So let's go ahead and get this installed, and we'll show you how quickly and easy this can be done at home. You also have a squeegee and the microfiber cloth. Essentially, you'll be placing this right on top and then pressing this, waiting 30 seconds, and the adhesive will slowly bond onto the screen. So before you do this, you want to clean this display with the cleaning tool that they provide you. So first, go ahead and go to Controls, press on Display, select Screen Clean Mode, and go ahead and clean the screen. So using one of the alcohol wipe, clean the top first, work your way down, go ahead and dry it up with the microfiber cloth. Use this sticker to spot check any dirt, debris. Now grab the Hansshow screen protector. This is the critical part. You want to peel this tab off, pull off the sticker, place the bottom first at an angle. Once you hit the corner left and right side, and once you have it all aligned on 4 corners, press down here and slide across diagonally. Wait about 30 seconds. Peel this off first. So there's a tab here. And once you have it off, pull the guidance cover off while you press in the screen protector. And you still have air bubbles there. Grab the squeegee that is provided with the kit. Grab the microfiber cloth that they provide. Place it on top of the squeegee and work your way outward. So after that, you can reactivate your screen. And everything works very normal, even with the screen protector on. Link in the description. This is available for the Tesla Model 3Y, S, and X, and also now available for the Rivian.